The Supreme Court on July 27th observed that the right to peaceful protest is absolutely guaranteed and held that police excesses, including the use of lathicharge, cannot be justified merely because a protest or agitation is taking place. A bench headed by Chief Justice Suryakant, along with Justices Joymalia Bagchi and B. Mohana, made the observations while hearing a batch of petitions alleging police excesses against students who participated in protests over exam irregularities and the NEET question paper leak. Recently concluded agitation led by the Cockroach Janata Party. The bench announced that it would hear the batch of petitions on July 28th. It also agreed to hear a separate plea filed by family members of police personnel who were allegedly attacked during the protest, along with the other pending petitions. The CJP-led march held in Delhi on July 20th witnessed clashes between protesters and security personnel after demonstrators attempted to march towards Parliament. Security personnel used lathis and tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. During the hearing, Chief Justice Suryakant stated that the right to peaceful protest cannot be denied and that the mere existence of an agitation does not justify police excesses. The bench further observed that if any instances of police misconduct had been committed, they should be examined through an independent inquiry. It also emphasized that the issue was not confined to Delhi and called for uniformity in police protocols across the country, adding that discipline is an integral part of the democratic process. When a lawyer informed the court that police personnel had also been assaulted during the protest, the bench asserted that the life of every individual, irrespective of who they are, is equally important. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.